Recently just bought your new 750 sawmill. What made you choose Rhino?
In the first place, I did a lot of research before buying a sawmill. As I don't have reference on different kinds of sawmills. So I read up um, which sawmills is going to be durable, easy to operate, easy availability of parts, and how it's built. Built strong. For instance, my competitor, the plates are much thinner. Yeah, so that was the reasoning. We get a good quality machine that can work in harsh conditions in Africa, not having maintenance problems, and a machine that's simple to operate and is built on simple or general purposes. So it's not difficult to operate. Parts you can buy at bearing shops. So yeah, in the main that was the main reason. Price as well, little bit cheaper than my competitor, but that was not the uh, final fact.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that, and hope you have success with your new sawmill.
Thanks, I appreciate it.